Rahul Gandhi says Congress will never allow CA bill to become act. AMJU's 9th annual Sports Meet 2019 kicks off. And Churachandpur rally demands justice in Turkalian killing. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. All India Congress Committee AICC President Rahul Gandhi today assured that as long as Congress is there, the party will fight tooth and nail against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 to prevent it from becoming a law. Gandhi arrived in Imphal yesterday in a two-day visit to Manipur where he kicked off party's campaign for the upcoming Lok Sabha post 2019. The state has 2 Lok Sabha seats. Imphal city was dotted with Congress flags as Gandhi prepared to address an election rally. Imphal's Hafta Kangsibung, the venue of the rally, was swollen by crowd. In his speech, Rahul Gandhi assured that if Congress comes to power after the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, industrial policy will be brought to life and special status to Manipur will be reinstated, and that the Congress will safeguard and honor the unique culture and identity of Manipur. The Congress party will never do anything that can hurt the sentiments of people of Manipur. Rahul further assured in a fiery speech. Rahul said, Narendra Modi Hindustan ka chowkidar chor hai. The Congress chief called Narendra Modi a thief. It has become clearer that the Modi government has ignored the voice of the people of Manipur and their sentiments. Rahul said the 47-year-old Gandhi scion took a dig at the BJP government at the center and accused it of attempting to spoil the region's unique history, identity and culture through CA bill. The Congress will battle against the government if attempts are made again to introduce the bill in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, he said. Gandhi said freedom of speech has remained violated since the BJP came to power at the center. Not only this, the government has also been causing disturbances to the smooth functioning of the country's judiciary system at various occasions. Rahul said he called Modi government a friend of big businessmen and an enemy of the poor.
The Narendra Modi government destroyed 1 crore jobs in India. They did not create a single job. They destroyed 1 crore jobs across the country. Let me put it differently. Every single day of 2018, Mr. Narendra Modi destroyed 30,000 jobs in India. This is the scale of his incompetence. 30,000 jobs every day in 2018 were destroyed by the Prime Minister of India. Can you imagine? I mean, it is so absurd, it is so ridiculous that our Prime Minister makes statements about giving 2 crore jobs to India. And the truth is, every day in the last year, the Prime Minister destroyed 30,000 jobs.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gaikhangam, Congress Legislature Party CLP leader O Ibobi Singh, Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Maina and a host of PCC leaders attended the event.
It has been taken up by the Congress government for the last 15 years. I will definitely take up within 15 months. She will machine Tidraba 15 months, and Pareba. Moy another project, I'm talking about Brava. A coin of Tormo Mayando, Sunu Hajalaga, dry the lay higher. In order to we are the dry the lay in the TV. It's quite
This is repressive brains of the BJP. The rule of parliament has been unleashed by the BJP that in the environment all across the country. Anyone appointing them are rated by various agencies of government, protected and attacked by BJP cadres.
Ibobi commended Rahul for paying homage to martyrs at Sahit Minar and meeting women vendors of Ima markets at Khairamban Bazaar during his visit to the state. Addressing media at Congress Bhavan, Ibobi asserted Rahul's gesture clearly shows how much he loves the state of Manipur. With an aim to promote sports and maintain good health among the journalists in the state, All Manipur Working Journalists Union Manipur AMJU kicked off its annual 9th Journalist Sports Meet 2019 at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Earlier, an AMJU team took out a torch rally ferrying the sacred fire from the historic Kangla this morning to the Press Club to open the 5-day-long event. Journalists from both print and electronic media took part in the torch rally. Later, social worker and Rajendra and president of AMJU, Brojendra Ningomba, opened the annual sporting event by hosting the AMJU's flag. Brojendra Ningomba and Rajendra also gave a clear insight about the sports meet while addressing the gathering.
Aikoi handak pangthok lipa khoi sports meet asisu mausa hauki bacha hin nipan asidiki hauna pangthok tuna lakpa adugi tradition ma aikoi sathe jabani loinana masigi tradition asiki marumda leijari ba khoi philosophy ti aikoi gi pangmi khudimak aikoi haksang phana isa yu phana leinana ba thamnana ba loinana aikoi loinamak sana khona bada hainaba singnaba ngaktani adu ma sana khona ba gi aikoi gi marting singdo aikoi hena Kanotok Nanaba, Pudok Hananaba, Adumba Tanjama, I quake Irakta, Aduma Sana Kona, but the lady Battalion Singduki, competition to Adumba, so Amani, Loina, I quake Arimata Mahandanaba, Koiba Sabatapa, Adumda, Satanabagi, Adusini, Loina, discipline Amasu create on Namani Hizabatai.
Masimakti Yam Apava, Hybridika in Wakan, India Manung, the Koi Manipur Sea Sports House near Haidana. Quite a quick something on Manipur, Nana. Lady in Marks, the Amkan Amzugi, have the quick media, the lady reporter, Mayam Sina. Are you taking in Gang Power? The Mikoma sang the Hazariba. Aduna Sigi, a suction Gramatamsida. Quick Hana, Lazariba Sports House, she does the Gisanaroi, ladies in the Amkahena. Massingan Putonaba, Amzugi players in so quick Hana support. Sikaktanatana, Amarum, the Holy set for the monk, Higaba, Aduga, Yokshangi, Lambi, the Pasatanaba, Mayama, and Badugi, Crimea, Torpus, the Gitu Sigi, Amjuna Putoriba, Sports, Kudima to the King Akopung, Munina, Kanjay, Aduga, Hena, Thompson Nanga, the Kainor, and the Kogi, Sports, Manipur, all Indiana, Kirivanidana, Sigi Amjugi Togang, Amkan, Massing Putoka, and the Hena Topper, where Munga have a Wakalun Dunene, my times again.
Protesting against the brutal killing of K. Tulkhalian as a 35 years resident of Mata village in Churachandpur, who was found murdered on 14th of February. A large number of people along with his family members took out a procession carrying the body in Churachandpur town. His body had been lying unclaimed at Churachandpur district hospital. The angry protesters demanded the concerned authorities to find out the fact and circumstances leading to his death. The demonstrators tried to storm the Churachandpur police station, where they clashed with police who fired tear gas shells to control the situation. However, no one was injured in the scuffle. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Open for football coaching camp at Private Sports Academy Guwahati 2019-20. Realize the dream of becoming a successful professional football player. Get trained yourself by reputed and dedicated foreign and national coaches under the Academy Accreditation Program designed for All India Football Federation Youth League's preparation. This intensive coaching camp, to be held during vacation, is expected to help talented students, particularly of class 10 and 12, in grooming themselves into world-class football players. Enroll today for a 1-month residential football coaching camp at Private Sports Academy Mirza, Assam, under the guidance of Sports and Education Centre, Manipur. For further details, kindly contact K.A. Singh, First Notice Athlete, Gold Medalist, Managing Director, Sports Academy Guwahati, 8787842589, or D. Pankaj Das, Managing Secretary, 8486238629.
After the break, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh today greeted the people of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Yausang, which starts tomorrow. In his message, Biren stated that Yausang, one of the biggest festivals of Manipur, is a festival of joy and gaiety in which everyone, irrespective of age and gender, participates with enthusiasm. I extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to one and all on the occasion of Yausang, Biren said in his message. An awareness campaign on systematic voters education and electronic participation (SVEEP) was organized by the Field Outreach Bureau, Ministry of Information and Empowerment, Broadcasting, Government of India, Imphal at Kha Manipur College, Kakching District today. Pukhrambam Raghu Singh, Principal, Kha Manipur College, Kakching District, presided the event. During the interaction program, the young and new electorates were requested to download C-Visual app from Google Play Store and be a part of the citizen vigilance for the upcoming election. An extemporary speech contest was held on the topic of app, free and fair elections, stop buying and selling, vote peaceful election, paid news, etc. A quiz competition on the topic was also held and prizes along with certificate was distributed. The event was also attended by the members of the teaching faculty and members of the Students' Union of the college. In connection with the coming Lok Sabha polls, Imphal East District Police conducted cordon and search operation at Chasat Avenue in Imphal East today around 4 p.m. During the operation, 205 individuals were verified, out of which 12 persons were detained and sent to Porompat Police Station for further verification. Marking the World Oral Health Day, Indian Dental Association, Manipur State Branch and Department of Public Health Dentistry Dental College, JENIMS, today jointly organized a one-day oral dental awareness and checkup camp at Maikley International School in Ngasilambung. Honorary Secretary of Indian Dental Association, Manipur State Branch, Dr. N. Satish Kumar said that the camp is held with a vision to make every student healthy by maintaining oral and dental hygiene. He also spoke in detail on the importance of keeping one's teeth strong and healthy. In connection with Yausang Festival, 109 CRPF Battalion distributed sports track shoes and sweets to mentally challenged children of BB Paul Mental Home at Mongsangai during a simple function. Chief guest of the function, Commandant Binod Kumar of 109 CRPF Battalion, stated that children are always innocent and emphasized on importance of guiding talented children at the home to bring them on the right path. He assured further possible help from the battalion will be extended to the home.
And I think Principal Ma'am and all many important staff of this school must be having my mobile number. I again remind you, whenever you need any kind of help, services of barber, water tanker, ambulance or any medical help, please call me round the clock.
Heavy rainstorm last night blew away roof of 5 classrooms of Demkolen Memorial English School at Kangpokpi. Apart from causing destruction to the school infrastructure, the school remained closed today following the damage. The headmaster of the school, Samson, appealed to the state government to look into the matter in the interest of the students.
Fear the future of the students and kindly make it prompt. Please do the needful right now, as we are facing problem because of this. A school has been established since 1992. Until today, the condition of the school is like this. There is no changes, no development at all. Infrastructure, really, the school is not in a good condition, to say. We lack infrastructures, and also not only that, we lack in every fields too. So please, this is my kind request on behalf of the school. As a headmaster of the school, I'd like to appeal once more to the government, concerned authorities to look into this matter. And also I would like to extend my appeal to the philanthropists to kindly grant us some assistance.
Some ducks were found killed by mysterious predators at Kangpokpi district headquarters last midnight. It is worth recalling that similar incidents of killing livestock by mysterious animals were recently reported in Manipur. The incident took place at the residence of Lunse Kipgen, the chairman of Kangpokpi Town Committee. In connection with the World Health Day, Caesar Hospital and Research Center in collaboration with Manipur Police Department organized an awareness program on the theme Change Your Mind at the Western Gate of Kangla today.
Awareness is effective way besi mayam da awareness pi dikhai di khara khai mayam gi mind khara khari changani na khali aduga public na masida cooperation pibiba aduga traffic rule phasana follow to biba helmet opiba car thawba seat belt phabiba sigu mayam si mayam tawiragadi akoina sida sibana bagi sang si adugi mate handani na khali adu mayam na hai besi awareness adum obiu aduga hanasu adum almost everything akoi khangdana leirba ngaktani aduga akoina masi khara neglect to hai gadra khara puning sang daba adugumba mayam dagi hai besi adu thokpani adu hai besi amona mayam da remind tokjabo ina hai ba program si pangtok jabani.
Let's take a short break once again.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba pi sing se kari kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung chainset ni. Documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matam pungbada leijari. Bus sing yonbada natana school, college, universities, office ki tama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su pangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoi gi mai pakpana.
Lamjingba Jewelry na adom gidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Aikoi service sing di inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi name na logzari. Nomaizing numitsu adom gi service ta leizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. In a setback to the BJP in Arunachal Pradesh and a day after Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma-led National People's Party NPP received a major boost with the joining of 15 BJP leaders in Arunachal Pradesh, including 2 ministers and 12 other sitting legislatures. NPP National President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed his happiness and exuded confidence in winning the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. And the Chief Minister said that the NPP is the only alternative in the Northeast.
Well, we have been trying to build the party on that ideology, and we are getting response from the people. People have started realizing the ideology and are joining in, and we are really expecting more positive response and reactions and positive outcomes in the future. Therefore, it's early to say how things will go, but all I can say is that that people of Northeast have started realizing the importance of the party and its ideology, and have started supporting it. And I'm hopeful that in the future, the party will grow from strength to strength.
The Chief Minister also said that elections are too never easy, however, expects to win this poll since they are getting positive response as people of Northeast have begun to release and relate to NPP's ideology.
It is never easy. I think no election can be taken for granted. And I think the first rule of election is to always ensure that you're not overconfident. So I think we are working hard. But I'm very happy to see the response of the people. I'm very happy to see that people are, coming in and supporting us. So we do expect that there will be a very positive response from the people, and we are very confident of winning this election with them.
The 4 million people in Assam who have been left out to the final draft National Register of Citizens (NRC) have caught the attention of the US State Department. A 55-page report gives extensive description of human rights abuses in India vis-a-vis the minority community and vulnerable sections of the society, and includes reference to the BJP leadership and government ministers. The report mentioned about BJP President Amit Shah, who had stated on September 24 last year that the Bangladeshis present in Assam are termites whose names will be struck out from the Citizens Register. The US State Department report also highlighted that the 4 million people of Assam whose names were missing from the final draft NRC face uncertain citizenship status. The report also documented that refugees and internally displaced persons need more effective legal safeguard to prevent human rights abuse. Ahead of Lok Sabha polls, 3 Tripura BJP leaders, including Party Vice President Subal Bhaumik, joined the Congress yesterday. The other 2 are former Minister Prakash Das and firebrand leader Debashish Sen. Tripura Congress President Pradyot Bikram Manikya Deb Burman and AICC Secretary Bhupen Bora welcomed the 3 leaders at the media conference. Bhaumik was holding the Vice President's post in the BJP. He joined the Saffron Party in 2015, while Das and Sen came to the party in 2017 from the Congress and the Communist Party of India Marxist, respectively. Germany has initiated a move at the European Union to designate Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist, days after China blocked a bid at the United Nations to ban him. According to diplomatic sources, Germany has floated a proposal to ban Azhar by the European Union, but no resolution on the issue has been moved yet. All 28 member countries of the European Union will have to support the move to ban the Pakistan-based terrorists as the bloc decides on such issues under the principle of consensus. The decision by France came 2 days after China put a hold on a fresh move to designate Azhar a global terrorist by the Sanctions Committee of the United Nations Security Council. The proposal to designate Azhar under the 1267 Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee of the UNSC was moved by France, the UK and the US in the wake of the Pulwama terror attack in which 40 CRPF personnel were killed. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Rahul Gandhi arrives to kickstart Congress Lok Sabha campaign. Chief Minister takes BJP campaign to Ibobi's stronghold. BJP's first list may be released today. Dr. Loho named Naga People's Front candidate. The People's Chronicle. Rahul meets women vendors, vows to scrap CAB. Gaikhangam belittles BJP claim to wrest 300 plus seats. None villagers in slack-faced over farm destruction. Women Action for Development hails media's role in curbing social crimes. High Court admits petition on compensation scam. Tangkhul Baptist Churches Association beckons youth to herald positive change. Imphal Free Press. Biren claims BJP has done more for the people of the state in 2 years than Congress in 15 years. The Morning Bell. Rahul Gandhi arrives in Imphal to kickstart poll campaign. At least 2 lakh supporters expected at rally, says Congress workers. BJP will win both Lok Sabha seats in Manipur, says Biren. Government stoic silence over Pervez Chanam case, peeps PAC. Additional Chief Electoral Officer reviews Chandal district's electoral preparedness. Ducks killed by unknown animals in Kangpokpi.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Rahul Gandhi says Congress will never allow CA bill to become act. AMJU's 9th annual Sports Meet 2019 kicks off. And Churachandpur rally demands justice in Tulkhalian killing. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.